Yeah, good day guys, this is Chibuzo Agowa, and once again you're welcome to Blogging for Tech YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to clear up your WhatsApp storage, and this time around I'll be doing it with my Android phone. It might work with iPhone, but I don't really know. You can try it out, and if the steps works fine. The steps I'll be showing in this video is quite the updated step. It might be different from what you've seen in some other videos on YouTube or the internet. So I'll advise you to watch this video from the beginning to end and learn the basic steps. You know, most of the times we do complain that our phone or our devices, the internal storage is all choked up and we have little space to store the devices. I'm glad to tell you that your WhatsApp application might be one of the major culprits, because you know we do engage in lots of chats, we do share files, we do share videos, we do share chats, voice notes, and it's accumulates lots of storage, and at the long run tends to choke up your internal storage. So I'll be showing you how to free up your WhatsApp storage, which will at the long run also free up your internal storage. So what you have to do, you must already have a WhatsApp application. So you tap on your WhatsApp application and you open it up just like I did. Then you will now see the three dots at the top right corner. You tap on the three dots and a pop-up will come up and you click on settings. Then on settings, you click on storage and data. Then from storage and data, you now see where you click on manage settings. So now here, it will actually show you the actual size your WhatsApp is actually containing your phone. As you can see, 910 MB is quite big, it's quite large, and it's a lot of space for just WhatsApp accumulating. As you can see, you see lots of chats that are engaged on, because I do belong in lots of so many groups. And once you see the group or the chats, at the right corner of each chat, you see the space that they are actually accumulating. Like the first chat is actually taking up 266 MB, which is quite large. So if you calculate this with 10 order, you see that I'm actually, I said my WhatsApp is actually taking a chunk of my internal storage. So for example, if you want to clear it up, if you want to delete each and every chat, you can do that for as many chats as you have. So for example, let me show you how you can actually clear up your storage. Now I tap on the first chat, as you see here, and as you can see, it has lots of voice notes, and voice notes is actually what took up the space that resulted to that 266 MB. So if you want to like clear a selected one, you have to select each one you want to clear. But if you want to, you are sure that you want to actually clear all, you see where it says select all, and you just tick the box, and automatically you selected all the voice notes. Then you see the delete icon at the top right, you tap on delete, and it will actually a pop-up will come up and say items will be deleted from your WhatsApp media, but they may still be saved on your device. You just click on delete, automatically to move from your chat. It's deleting. There are quite many 366 MB, and you see they are all gone, so no media in this chat. As you can see, I've wiped them off, and if you refresh, you select, I've actually wiped that off. You can like go to as much as storage you feel like you want to like erase, and you do the same thing, and you see that your media space or the internal storage will actually start freeing up from this lots and chunk of chats. Let me see if I will actually delete another one. I'm actually saying, okay, let me see. I'm trying to scroll up and see which other message, because I know some messages are not important. Okay, let me delete this. Some actually contains images. This one is trying to load up. Okay, voice note alone. So let me still select and delete, because I feel the voice note in that chat will be irrelevant to me. So I've done that, and I've tried to free lots of space. So you can actually carry these steps, and you see that your WhatsApp storage is actually free up, which will in return free up your internal storage. So if you find this video educative enough, you kind of give it a thumbs up. And also, if you're still yet to subscribe to the channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification so that I get notified whenever I release important videos just like this. It's actually a technology related channel whereby we dish out tutorial periodically. So if you've done that, automatically you're now part of this channel. So like I said, if you're still confused in this section, go to the comment section and ask your questions. And once you've hit the subscribe button, all you have to do is sit back, relax, and anticipate for my next video. So with that, we've come to the end of this video. Like I said from the start, Chibuzo Agua remains my name, and you're hooked up to Blogging for Tech channel. Bye bye for now.